I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her.
Okay, so to begin with, this is what I am starting with. I mean, this is far from what it looked like at the beginning. I'm going to show you a photo of what it looked like at the beginning. So obviously the walls have all been like plastered and, I don't know, covered, you know, they've been made into walls because it was all open to start with, and it's been made into a proper fitted little cubby. And then I have added the shelving. So all of this shelving is from IKEA. I was lucky that the dimensions were spot on. I will link everything from the shelves to the bracket. I got the lovely wooden brackets for the top shelf because that's the one that would be visible, but they're quite expensive. So for the lower shelves, I just got like the basic white ones because otherwise it would have really become quite costly. When all the baskets on there, you can't see the basic white ones. And then we've got a spice rack up there, and then at the bottom there is this longer shelf, obviously different to the other ones, and that is going to cover my recycling. So the first thing that I have put in here is the recycling. Now these are from IKEA and they actually come with a lid and like a lift up flap, but unfortunately if they have the lids on, they do not fit because they're quite snug, as you can see. They do not fit in this space if they have the lid on, which is really annoying, but hey ho. But here you go, here is my recycling. So we've got the plastic and metal in that one, and then we've got cardboard in that one. Oh my goodness, what is that? Need to get that off the floor, Ellie, definitely. But there you go, that is the bottom of my pantry, which is Recycling Central. I like the fact that they go far back and they're not visible. Obviously you need a bit of a gap so that you can put things into it, but they're pretty well hidden, which I'm happy with. So I'm going to go on to fill the shelves now. I've got different baskets and things to put on all the shelves, but I will explain. So I'm going to fill them all, but all of the baskets that you see me use, even though there's a few different ones, they are all from IKEA, and like I said, I will link them all. But yeah, I'm going to decide where to put the baskets now.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old.
Okay, so there you go, the storage has been put on the shelves. Already feeling very excited. It's already starting to all come together. As I said, everything here is from IKEA, but actually these were Amazon. These lovely glass bamboo sealed containers, they are Amazon. The rest is IKEA, so I will link those as well. But I like how I've laid everything out. The next thing to decide, there's still some space over there as well, but I'm fine with that because I think I might, once I start living with this space, I might decide that I need to move things or add things, so I'm quite happy to have that a little bit of vacant space there. The next thing I need to decide is what is going where, and I have labels that I'm going to label on some of the containers. So I've got them here. I already use these everywhere around my house. They're all over my kitchen. They're actually right here in my utility room as well. These are from Etsy. I will link the lovely lady who makes these. I will link her shop below. I love them. They're also wipeable, so they're great in the kitchen because you can just wipe over them. They have a sort of like plasticky sheen to them. So I've been trying to work out what I'm going to put where. I know that I want these 3 to be snacks because these are the ones that Leo's going to come in and grab all the time, so I need these to definitely, the most accessible ones, to be snacks for definite. The rest of them I'm kind of going to just play by ear and label as I go, so there'll probably be a lot of stopping and starting. I'm not going to label everything. I'm going to leave the plastic ones blank for now, mainly because I'm not sure what's going in each one. And also I don't want it to look like label overkill. I think that the labels will look so lovely on the bamboo containers, but I don't think they're as necessary on the plastic ones. So that's why some of them might not have labels. But anyway, I'll stop rambling now and start labeling. Okay, I've labelled a few things. So I've labelled these are going to be all snacks. Down there we've got crisps, and one of them's pasta, and then I think we've got another snacks. Let's be honest, pantry is mostly snacks anyway. And then I've labelled my bamboo containers here with cereal and oats. Oh, I forgot this one. I was going to pop this one on the side here as well, which says herbs and spices. There we go. So that is all the labelling done for now. The next thing I need to do is actually decide what's going to go where and start restocking, basically stock the whole thing. So yeah, this is the main bit. Do you know what my main dilemma is right now? I don't actually know what's going in those ones at the back. I'm hoping once I start emptying my cupboards and start just filling this up that it will all come to me and I'll know exactly what to do. But yeah, I need to just get stuck in, I think, start filling stuff, and then I'll know what should go where.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. tonight? Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No,
okay, I think I'm done for today. Knowing me, I'm going to come in and change things over and over again, move things around, because I'm always doing that. A toxic trait of mine. But this is what I have done so far this morning. So as I said, I wanted the top shelf to be all snacks, because this is the bit that the boys and me, let's be honest, are going to come to the most. I've got Leo snacks, Cooper snacks, and then grown-up snacks in the corner as well. Then at the back I've got tea. Now that's not the everyday tea. That is the Earl Grey tea that my mum and dad have when they come over. Hence why I've put it in here rather than like the tea cupboard in the kitchen. It's just somewhere to store it. And then there is my coffee as well. Again, that's just like overflow. I've got some in the tea cupboard as well. I just put some more in there. I might change that and put like some biscuits in that jar instead. I'm not sure. I might also get a couple more of these jars as well. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Over here we have like the breakfast shelf. So we've got Clint's Quaker oat packs there. Then we've just got plain oats and cereal there as well. I've put our herbs and spices up at the top. And then for the little plastic containers, I've got rice and the spice packs here. I've got like curry sauces there. I've got pasta sauces there. That box is actually empty. At the moment, there's nothing to put in it. I'm sure that's going to change, but at the moment, that one is riding solo. Then I've got some crisps there. That's just like mini cheddar crisps in that one. And then like the more like grown-up crisps, I suppose, are over in that one. We got like pasta, so the baby pasta, like overflow pasta that's not in my jars. Then I've got baking stuff, I've got tin stuff and stock. If you're wondering why I didn't put like pasta and rice in those jars, it's because they live out here on this open shelf in the kitchen. This is where all of our spaghetti, our pasta and our rice is, hence why it's not in here, otherwise it would be. And then at the bottom, like I said, we've got crisps in there, we've got potatoes, carrots, veg in there, and then we've got bananas in that one as well, so fruit in there. And then obviously I've already taught you about the recycling. So like I said, for today I think I'm done. You could come back next week and I might have changed everything, but for today I think I'm done.